All right, here we have Dr. Azar presenting the autumn absorbance procedure.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do in order to do this lab is open up Vernier software on your laptop. So go to the Start menu, to Programs, and then scroll down until you find the folder that says Vernier software. Open that and then open Logger Pro. And what we're going to use is a spectrophotometer, and the Vernier spectrophotometer is called the SpectraViz. And you have a USB cable to connect that to your computer. So if you plug that in, and then plug in the USB cable to your computer. Hopefully, the Vernier program will recognize the SpectraViz, so you don't have to do anything about that. So, in order to use the SpectraViz, the first thing you have to do is calibrate it, and we're going to just use distilled water to do that. And in order to do that, you need to take this cuvette and look at the cuvette for a second. It's got two sides that are textured and two sides that are clear. So fill up the cuvette with about 3/4 full of distilled water. And this might take a while with my dropper, but hopefully your dropper works better than that, right? And so when you put the cuvette in the SpectraViz, make sure that the clear sides are face side to side and the textured sides face front to back in the SpectraViz. So the clear side, one of the clear sides has to be facing the little arrow in the SpectraViz. So you put that in, and then you go up to Experiment, is it in? To the Experiment menu and hit Calibrate, and it'll just give you one choice, and you hit that, and okay. Do we need to wait for it to?
Not for this.
Okay. So he just hit skip warm up and then finish calibration, and when it's done, hit OK. Okay, so now the SpectraViz is calibrated. So after that, take your cuvette out, and when you're ready to measure